so-called Impossible Climb Andler starts out as rough gravel and then switches over to a washboard of rough cliff face designed to throw riders off and send them and their bikes tumbling back down to the base of the hill. Some fly off their bike early during the climb, while others get painfully close to the finish line, but in the end, they all succumb to the power of gravity before reaching their goal. However, in this climb, for the first time ever, we got our first rider ever to finish on top of his bike. Climb Andler is cheeky, and it shows in how it likes to throw its riders right back to the bottom. Much like this one, full of action, bike in the air and whatnot. Ouch, all that dragging must rash up the skin. Oh, our trusty old monkey-style jumps, all arms stretched wide, wind brushing the hair. Ouch! Looking at how his poor body dragged down the hill like a rucksack really goes on to show that Andler is no playground. It's a serious track for the serious riding only.
Okay, let it be known, I'm working hard when I ain't on the phone.
This climb is dangerous to people and their belongings. Yep, we can understand this rider's frustration. First, not being able to make it to the top, so obviously you've lost. And then having to watch your bike topple down the hill, hitting and crashing all the way through. Painful to watch. Another bike topple. Another monkey jump and another dream trashed.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game over.
Okay, with this next one here, it seems the thrill level is going up and it's getting more and more dangerous. Whoa, that angle at the time the rider lost control is everything that nightmares are made of. Do you think this rider's bravery will live to see another race?
I'll be back.
Watch this next ride meet a similar fate, but instead ends up pinned down under his own bike. You must carry the burden of your dreams. I can't really explain in words what I'm about to show now, and why exactly it's so funny. It just is! For those of you who don't own a sense of humor, I'm talking about this part towards the end of this rider's ride, where he seems to reach failure gradually and hilariously. Something about close calls just gets our funny bones tingling. Not at the ride or the rider itself, but the whole frustration it mounts. There's something to be said about sadistic thoughts here. Why does it feel so good and sound so bad to laugh at someone failing so close to the winner line? But let's give it to this guy. He really covered the stretch with great zeal and control. Too bad he won't be taking no title home. Situation getting too tense? Let's ease it a bit with this cutie here. You want them to win. You start them young. Want to see a depiction of how much I think I study and how much actually gets done? Watch this rider. The amount of stress the bike seems under and the amount of area covered are irrationally odd. Yeah, hooting in the end will not take the shame away. Please go home, mister. Watch this. Ouch! Watch his horrible foot twist as he fell. That's some ankle injury for days, bruh. Talk about a lucky save. Watch it now. Wow, man, that bike literally just about toppled right over the rider himself. Probably missed him by an inch or two. This is some serious luck out there. It's always said how much a boy loves his bike, but it's also true the opposite way around, as proven by the example of this next rider and his bad boy.
Round 1. Get over here!
Yep, the bike just didn't want to let go of him. If I go, you go with me. Here we have yet another child trying to prove his mettle. Good on you, lad. Okay, this one, even I'm confused about. Please watch, then let's have a group call. Yeah, can I just ask, that weird Spider-Man jump, was that intentional or is that just something that happened in the spur of the moment? Also, question why, please. Yeah, it's lost to me. And for the moment you've all been waiting for. Here I present to you a miracle in which Roald Gertz made an epic run to the hill and finished all the way up without a single mistake in the entire climb. This was a historic moment for the races itself also. He became the first rider ever to finish on top of his bike. And like this, history has been written.